Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REALME GT7 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings. And hit family and their parental controls. As you can see now we have PG3, the visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls and there we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included, underrated, confirm by goded and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!